it's Abby. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a huge Boohoo clothing haul. In this box, I have over $300 worth of clothing from Boohoo, the online clothing store. I have been obsessed with online clothing shopping in the past month-ish, and I've been obsessed with Boohoo as well. They have super inexpensive clothing and it's really good quality too. This is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form, although I wish it was, but it is not. I purchased all of this with my own money, and I just love doing haul videos. If anyone's seen my channel before, they know that I love clothing hauls. So I figured this was a perfect opportunity because there is so much here. So before we start, I just wanted to say, one, I am using a mic for the very first time, so if there's audio issues, I apologize in advance. I'm still trying to figure it out as this is my first video, like I just said. Second, Boohoo comes from the UK, but I am in the US, so anything that I say, like my sizing, I am talking in US sizes rather than UK sizes because it translates for you depending on where you are when you are shopping online. So anyone who is in the UK or any other country, they have a size translator. So if you want to purchase any of these and you want to reference off of my size, then just know that my size is in US size, and you can use the little converter that they have on the website to figure out your size if you are not in the US. Lastly, if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up so I know to do more clothing haul videos because I love these, so I want to know that you love them as well. So I will continue buying more clothes for more clothing haul videos. Be sure to subscribe so you can see my other videos when I upload, and other than that, let's just hop right on into the video. So like I said, I got over $300 worth of stuff, so obviously that is a lot. So this may be a long video. I'm gonna try to keep it as short as possible just because I don't want to sit here for hours upon hours, and I don't want it to be boring or anything. Also, I have worn a lot of these, so if there's deodorant stains, that's why. Little gross, but you know, it happens. The first thing I got, you will all see these better when I do the try on, which I will insert while I'm talking about the article of clothing, but it is I forgot what this style is called. First clothing item, and I'm already forgetting. Halter top. This is called a halter top. Yeah, okay. So this is a halter top. It ties at the top, which I do like because it's adjustable. And then the back, it is a very low back. It's stretchy, but I like how it's a really low back. I think it's just very airy and breezy. It's super duper comfortable, super simple, and it fits really well. I got this one in a US size 0, and this one's just in basic black. I have a few others that I got that you will see along the way. They're all kind of mixed up in the box, so it'll be in random order. The next item I got is this bandeau, and it is super cute. It is this plaid-ish pattern, but it's a black and white plaid, and it's a little short. I was hoping that it would be longer when I got it, but I did wear it with a pair of high-waisted shorts, and I think it looked really good. I love wearing high-waisted shorts with super crop stuff. I love crop stuff in general, but I love wearing high-waisted stuff with super crop stuff. I got a lot of bandeaus as well. I have been loving strapless things recently, as you can see by the shirt that I'm wearing right now too. So there's a lot of strapless things, and this is just one of them. And this one is in a US size 8, which actually I went on a limb getting this because I really wanted it and this was the smallest they had, but it still fits me really well. There are a few other items that I got that were a few sizes too big, but they actually ended up fitting, so I'm not really sure how that works because I assumed that they were going to be too big, but I decided to get them anyway because the website's super inexpensive. But they all did end up fitting, which I think is a little weird, but also worked out in my favor. So I guess you can take notes that if it's not exactly your size, then that's fine because it most likely will still fit. The next thing I got is another super cropped item. This one is, that's the back. This one is a little tank top, but it's super cropped like I said, and it is a purple plaid. I've been loving plaid print recently, so this was super cute, and purple's my favorite color, so I decided that this will be a good purchase. And this one is in the size 0. So like I said, a little weird. The other one was an 8. I'm usually like 0, 1, 2-ish. I'm like usually like the smallest sizes things come, but for some reason the 8 fit me in the bandeau. Next thing I got are these very loud shorts. They're like gold. I don't know what the material is. It's a little sweaty. Like I said, I've worn a lot of these. Wearing this is a little sweaty and it does make a lot of noise when you walk, but it's super duper cute. They're these little shorts and then they have a tie at the front, and I think it's called a paper bag waist is what the waist is like, but I could be wrong. Half the time I don't know what I'm saying, so I could be wrong, but I believe that's what the style is called. Super duper cute and not very comfortable, but I would honestly like deal with something that's uncomfortable if it's cute. I think I may have cut the tag out of this one because it was really itchy. I believe this one was a size 2 though. The next thing I got is another pair of shorts. These are black super high-waisted shorts and they tie in the front. They have that little like buckly looking thing. And like I said, they're just black and they have like a couple layers to them. There's like this one kind of see-through layer and then this one like silky-ish layer, and super duper cute. I could wear these with a lot of things. I love black high-waisted shorts. I had an old pair that got too short, so I needed these to replace them, and I really love these. They're super comfortable. I don't know if I said that already, but these are a US size 1. Okay, so this one I absolutely love. I'm definitely gonna go and get this in black and like every other color they have because it is super duper cute. It's an off the shoulder long sleeve shirt, but it's like super tight and I feel like it just makes me look really good. I feel like I look really good in orange too. I don't know why, I just really love orange and yellow. I used to hate those two colors, but I really love wearing orange and yellow now. I feel like they make me look really good. Bright colors in general, I feel like they make me look really good, so I've been loving those recently, and it is in a US size 2. The next item I got are those like pants that are in style now. They're like the shorts that are like leggings, like biker shorts or bicycle shorts, whatever the heck they're called. I got a pair of these because I thought it'd be cute to wear with like long t-shirts, except I put it on and they're completely see-through. And even with a long sleeve, or not long sleeve, a long t-shirt, I'm not really sure how I feel about that, honestly. I don't really want to wear a pair of completely see-through pants, so I'm probably not going to wear these, but it's not really a big loss because, like I said, everything's super inexpensive, so I wouldn't necessarily recommend these unless you're okay with having see-through pants. But these are in a size 0. The next item I have here is another bandeau. It's just a plain black stretchy bandeau. It's like yoga pant material and it's a little bit see-through, but it's not see-through on me because it like fits perfectly, but I would definitely recommend either getting a size up or staying exactly true to size, not going a size down, because if this stretches too much then it will definitely be see-through. But it's super duper comfortable. It stays up really easily, which I love. And this is in a size 0. Okay, this one's a little gross. It has deodorant on the sides, but I'm going to show you anyway. This is another bandeau. This one I love. The style is super cute. And this one I had to go a few sizes up because that was the smallest size they had in stock. But I got this in a size 8. And it has like the little orange things on the side of the bandeau. And the bottom is like super loose and kind of flares open. What you do is you take these little thingies on the side and you just pull, and it like, the bottom like goes shut, and it's like super cool. I will demonstrate when I do the try on, so you probably would have already seen that by now, but it's super cool. I love the concept. I've never seen anything like it before, so I definitely needed this and I love it. Okay, so here is another orange item, and here is another of the, I forgot what it's called again, but it's the same thing as the shirt that I showed you, the first one, the black one that ties around your neck. I'll probably think of the word in a few minutes, but I don't remember what it is anymore. I'm really bad at remembering words when I have to talk, so yeah, I don't remember what this is called anymore. But yeah, it's like it ties around your neck like the other one. Has like the super low like stretchy back. It's the same as the first one that I showed you, but instead of black this is orange. And this one, I believe this is also a size 0. And the next item is the exact same thing in tan. It's like a tannish taupe-ish, grayish. Well, taupe is tannish grayish. So it's like a taupe version, but this is a size 2, and to me it fits exactly the same as the other one. I don't really notice a difference. Maybe it's a little bigger, but not enough that I really notice. It fits just the same, and I had to get it in this size because they didn't have it in a 0. So yeah, like I said, still fits the same. The next thing I have here is this plain tank top, and it is really wrinkly. It's been sitting in this box for a while because I've actually had this stuff for a while. I just haven't gotten around to filming because every time I tried to film, my spray tan was like peeling off, and I didn't want to look like gross and with peely spray tan when I was about to do a clothing try-on video. So I'm finally getting around to this, and now everything's all rinky. Everything is all wrinkly and kind of gross looking because it's been sitting in the box for a while, especially this one. But I have worn this like twice, and it is super duper cute. It is a orangey red tank top, and like I said, I love orange on me, but recently I've also loved red on me. I love bright colors on me recently, so this one also, in my opinion, looks really good on me. Just a cropped red tank top, and it is in a size 4 because that was the smallest they had, and it still fits me really well. The next item I got is another like strappy tank toppy thing, and this one is just plain black, and it has 2 gold dragons on it, and I think it is so cute. I mean, obviously I think everything in here is super duper cute, otherwise I wouldn't have bought it, but I think this is so cute. I love it, and it's super comfortable. It is in a size 0. The next item I have here is this pair of shorts. It has suns and moons on them, and I think it is so cute. It's super comfortable as well. My only complaint is that the elastic waistband, I don't know if you could tell, but it is kind of flipped a little bit. So it's like wrinkly and like turned, which is a little annoying because I hate when that happens to waistbands. But it's not like it's uncomfortable or anything. It's just more of a personal issue type thing. But this is in a size 4. Okay, so this next item, honestly, I'm probably never going to wear these. I did try them on when I first got them, and they don't fit very well, but it's really not worth it to return them because they were so cheap. So I'm probably honestly just going to throw these in a closet somewhere and never see them again. But they're like tan yoga pants, and they fit really weird. They're really uncomfortable. So like I said, I'm not going to wear them, but these are in a size 0. The next item I have is another pair of yoga pants, and these are just like a baby blue color, and they're like super soft and stretchy, except they came smelling like vinegar, which is a little annoying. Not sure why that is, but yeah. I haven't worn them yet because it's been super hot, so I haven't wanted to wear long pants. And these are in a size 2 because they didn't have anything smaller. And then I got the same ones in a mint green color, and these are in a size 2 as well. Now, last but certainly not least, my favorite item of all. I am so excited about these. Let me tell you, I wore these in super hot weather because I was just dying to wear these pants. These are button-up pants. I've seen these everywhere, and I am obsessed. They are so cute. Okay, one night when I was wearing them, I took my dog out to go pee, and I tripped over something in the middle of our yard, and I literally went flying across the yard, and I skidded across the yard wearing these pants. And luckily they're like a grassy green color, so there's no stains, but yeah. And the grass was like wet too because it was nighttime, so I went skidding across the wet grass in my favorite pair of pants, and it was devastating. But like I said, at least they're grassy green color because otherwise they would have been stained for good. But like I said, super cute, and they're super comfortable. They have like fleece in the inside, so it's super warm for like winter, although it's a little odd when you have them unbuttoned on the side. Like I was wearing them with all of the buttons undone except for the bottom and the top one, so my leg just kind of like floats free. It is a little odd when you're feeling like the nice warm fleece and then you get like a breeze up your leg because it's like it's all warm and like fleecy feeling, and then all of a sudden you get a cool breeze. It's a little confusing, but I love these. Super cute, and these are in a size 4. So that is actually all for this video. I don't think it took too long. It says I've been recording for 22 minutes. So with clips like edited out of me like saying stupid stuff, or when I like had to repeat what I was saying, it should be under 20 minutes. So that is good. I didn't want it to be super long like I said at the beginning, but I hope you enjoyed this video. I love buying clothes, and then it gives me a clothing haul video, which everyone seems to love. I don't know if I said this already, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!